Just go into Google and search download Figma. It's pretty simple. It's available for Mac and Windows. However, in terms of Linux, I would just advise you to use the web browser because I tried the unofficial Linux applications. Most of them don't work, like the Snap Store Figma Linux. So Snap Store Figma Linux, you can give it a shot if you want to. But again, I tried this a couple of times, even on a virtual machine, and when I was running Manjaro on my own, and also on Pop OS, I was not able to use Figma at all as an application. I had to use it from the browser, which was not the best experience, to be honest. All right, so in terms of if you're on Windows like me, you just download the desktop application. After you're done, basically you're just gonna hit next, 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 and that's pretty much it in terms of the Figma setup for Windows and Mac OS and Linux. And also on Mac, of course, you're just going to download the DMG and just install it, and that's pretty much it in terms of the first video. See you guys in the next video, where basically we're going to be talking about the environment that we're going to be designing in. We're going to be using Bootstrap, and we're also going to use iPhone prototypes and also tablet prototypes and desktop prototypes, so we can make a responsive layout in Figma. Right, so I'll see you guys in the next video. This was Engi with you, and peace.